Finding the perfect blender can make meal prep faster and more convenient. In this video, discover the top 5 best blenders designed for smoothies, soups, and more. Whether you need a high-speed option for tough ingredients or a versatile model for daily use, these choices offer efficiency and performance. Blend with ease and achieve smooth, consistent results every time. Stay tuned as we explore the best blenders to upgrade your kitchen and simplify your food preparation process. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. A request to you, please subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. At number 1, we have Vitamix A3500 Ascent. The Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Gold Label Smart Blender in matte navy with gold accents is a high-performance kitchen appliance designed for versatility. With a capacity of 64 fluid ounces, it is suitable for medium to large size blends. Its modern touchscreen controls provide a smooth appearance and can be easily wiped clean, ensuring effortless maintenance. The variable speed control and pulse feature allow for precise adjustments to achieve the desired texture in any recipe. This blender is equipped with wireless connectivity, enabling the motor base to recognize the container size and automatically adjust the program settings and blending duration. It includes 5 pre-programmed settings for making smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning, ensuring consistent results without requiring constant supervision. A built-in programmable timer prevents overprocessing or underprocessing by shutting off the machine automatically once the set time is completed. Designed for convenience, the included low-profile container fits comfortably under most kitchen cabinets while offering ample capacity for blending large batches. The package comes with a motor base, a 64-ounce low-profile container, a tamper, and a Simply Blending cookbook to help users explore various recipes. With an electrical rating of 120 volts, 50 to 60 Hz, and 12 amps, this blender provides powerful blending performance. The cord measures 4 feet in length, offering flexibility in placement. The motor operates at 2.2 peak horsepower, ensuring smooth blending of tough ingredients. Whether preparing beverages, sauces, or frozen treats, this professional-grade blender provides reliability and efficiency for various kitchen needs. At number 2, we have Ninja BN701 Professional. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus blender in dark gray is designed for powerful and efficient blending. With a total capacity of 72 fluid ounces, it is ideal for preparing large batches. The motor delivers 1,400 peak watts of power, ensuring smooth blending of various ingredients. The stacked blade assembly provides strong crushing performance, making it suitable for blending frozen ingredients and ice with ease. This blender includes 3 preset programs that allow users to prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream effortlessly. The intelligent Auto IQ technology simplifies the process by combining timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. This ensures consistent results without the need for manual adjustments. The included total crushing pitcher is designed to handle large quantities, making it perfect for family use or entertaining guests. The motor base provides strong performance, and the dishwasher-safe pitcher and blades allow for easy cleaning. The pitcher is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring safe food preparation. The package includes a motor base, a total crushing pitcher, a stacked blade assembly, a lid, and a recipe inspiration guide. With a product dimension of 6.75 inches in depth, 9 inches in width, and 17.5 inches in height, this blender fits comfortably on most countertops. The included instruction booklet and quick start guide help users operate the appliance efficiently. Whether making beverages, frozen treats, or sauces, this professional-grade blender delivers reliability and convenience for everyday use. The durable construction and powerful motor make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. At number 3, we have Ninja Foodi SS101. The Ninja Foodi SS101 Personal Smoothie Maker in silver is designed for powerful blending and nutrient extraction. With a 1,200 peak watt motor, it delivers strong performance for creating smoothies, frozen drinks, and spreads. The compact design makes it suitable for various kitchen spaces while providing versatility for different recipes. The blending system includes a 24 fluid ounce nutrient extraction cup that breaks down ingredients for smooth textures. It allows for blending fruits and vegetables while retaining essential vitamins and nutrients. A 14 fluid ounce smoothie bowl maker is also included, featuring a built-in tamper to process thick ingredients with minimal liquid. This function is useful for making smoothie bowls, nut butters, and frozen desserts. With 6 preset programs, the blender offers options for one-touch blending, pulsing, extractions, bowls, and spreads. The intelligent Auto IQ technology ensures smooth blending by adjusting the speed and timing automatically. The motor is designed to handle dense ingredients without slowing down, eliminating the need for stirring or shaking. The easy-to-clean design includes dishwasher-safe parts, making maintenance simple. The package includes a motor base, hybrid edge blades, 2 nutrient extraction cups with spout lids, and a smoothie bowl maker with a storage lid. The to-go cups provide convenience for those who prefer taking their drinks on the move. This blender is designed for efficient storage, making it suitable for small kitchens. A recipe inspiration guide is included, providing ideas for creating different drinks and snacks. Whether blending soft or frozen ingredients, this kitchen appliance delivers strong performance for daily use. At number 4, we have Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro. The Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro in black is designed for efficient blending and chopping. With a 1,800 peak watt motor, it provides strong performance for processing tough ingredients. The innovative BlendSense technology automatically adjusts speed and time, ensuring smooth results for different recipes. A user-friendly dial displays the current mode, making it easy to operate. This blender includes a 72 fluid ounce pitcher, allowing for the preparation of large batches suitable for family use. The total crushing and chopping blade assembly efficiently processes ice, vegetables, and other ingredients. With a one-touch chop program, it simplifies food preparation, making it suitable for salsa, sauces, and more. The variable speed control offers 10 different settings for complete manual adjustments, available in the full-size pitcher. For added convenience, the blender comes with 2 24 fluid ounce single-serve cups, ideal for preparing drinks that can be taken on the go. Each cup includes a spout lid, allowing for easy portability. A liquid detect feature notifies users when additional liquid is needed in the single-serve cup. The included components are a motor base, total crushing and chopping blade assembly, a full-size pitcher, 2 single-serve cups, 2 spout lids, and a hybrid edge blade. The parts are made from BPA-free materials and are safe for cleaning in the dishwasher. The design is compact, making it suitable for different kitchen spaces while offering versatility in blending and food processing. Whether preparing smoothies, frozen drinks, or chopped ingredients, this appliance delivers strong performance with user-friendly controls. At number 5, we have Breville Q Blender. The Breville Q Blender in smoked hickory is designed for high-performance blending in home kitchens. With a 1,800 watt motor, it delivers powerful results for creating a variety of recipes. The blade tip speed reaches 186 miles per hour under load, allowing for fast and efficient blending of fresh ingredients. This blender features 4 one-touch programs, providing quick options for preparing smoothies, crushing ice, and making soups. The 5 speed settings allow for texture optimization, making it suitable for blending cocktails, dips, nut milks, and fine milled flours. The extra durable copolyester jug has a capacity of 68 fluid ounces, offering ample space for preparing large batches. A clip and secure lid is designed for high-speed blending, preventing spills while allowing steam to vent safely. The assist ring pull makes it easy to remove the lid when needed. The auto clean function simplifies maintenance by using clean water or detergent to wash the jug and blades. The design is compatible with the Vac Q, an additional accessory that removes air from the jug before blending. This process enhances texture, color, and flavor for smoother results. The Vac Q is sold separately. Included with this blender is a tamper, which helps process thick and dense ingredients efficiently. The powerful motor and multiple settings provide versatility, allowing users to create a variety of beverages, soups, and sauces. With a strong build and advanced technology, this kitchen appliance is designed to handle everyday blending tasks with ease. The durable construction and user-friendly features make it a practical choice for preparing a wide range of recipes. We believe that you like our best product. A request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comment section, tell me which product you liked. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. Hope to see the next video. Take care.